Hello, I'm George, and today I want to present to you Hughes Polar Tank Showers. These units were designed for the Canadian winters, able to withstand temperature as low as -40. In these extreme temperatures, you need a shelter to protect the casualty after using the shower. That's why these units come standard with a fully enclosed, fully insulated polar cubicle that includes an electrical room heater and a light to protect the user after being drenched by the shower. To keep the water tepid, as required by the ANSI standard C358.1, this unit includes on top a fully insulated, medium-density polyethylene tank with a properly sized immersion heater. Additionally, it includes GRP grating and a sump to catch the water and drain it safely to avoid freezing and creating a sleep hazard. We don't want a skating rink outside. There are two basic models available. The first one is a 1,200 liter, 318 US gallon version for locations where there's a water source available. This water source can be low pressure or low flow, but this will be enough to keep the unit compliant with the ANSI requirement. The other model is this one. This is a 2,000 liter, 528 US gallon version, which is usually the best choice. This model has enough water to meet the ANSI standard requirement of running the shower for 15 minutes at 20 gallons per minute without the need of a water source. This eliminates all the costs related with piping and insulation in these extreme conditions. One of the key features of these polar tank showers is how configurable they are. Different voltages are available, and electrical components can be included for general purpose areas or rated for hazardous locations.
Besides all standard features, these units can be highly configured to meet your specific requirements. Different voltages are available, alarms can be configured as needed, and many more. Besides polar units, models are available for indoor or extreme hot weather.
Another option is the pipework. Our standard piping is Schedule 40 PVC. In this specific unit, we have 3 or 4 stainless steel as per customer requirement, making this a more durable unit. You can tell us about your project specific needs, any site requirements you have, and we can configure the unit to meet these needs. And some additional features that this unit includes are full safety yellow surrounds for the shower and the tank, making it highly visible in even bad weather. Also, double swing doors with windows to have unrestricted access to the cubicle and supervision of the casualty if needed. Additionally, you have a sign light and an entrance light to make it visible in bad weather and easy to spot the entrance. Thank you for your attention today. If you need more information, just go to our website, www.hughes-safety.com.